Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your income with OfferUp step by step clearly. Create an OfferUp account if you don't already have one. Download the OfferUp app from your device's app store. Open the app and select Sign Up. Enter your email address or phone number and create a password. Fill in your profile information to build trust with buyers. Add a clear profile picture to make your account more appealing. Research your local market to understand what items are in demand. Identify items in your home that you no longer need or use. Take high-quality photos of each item from multiple angles. Write detailed descriptions for the items, including any flaws. Set competitive prices based on comparable listings in your area. Post your items for sale using the app sell feature. Respond to inquiries from potential buyers promptly and professionally. Negotiate prices if necessary, keeping the conversation friendly. Schedule safe meeting locations for in-person exchanges. Consider offering delivery or shipping options to expand your reach. Promote your listings through social media to attract more buyers. Update your inventory regularly, removing items that have sold. Continue to engage with buyers even after a sale for future opportunities. Monitor your sales and adjust your strategies based on what sells best. Consider selling seasonal items or trending products to boost sales. Use feedback from buyers to improve your listings and customer service. Keep a log of your earnings to track your income progress. Stay persistent and adapt your approach as you learn more about the platform. With time and dedication, you can significantly increase your income through OfferUp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.